Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are deep diving into the world of penetration testing by comparing three popular Linux distribution, that is ParrotOS, Kali Linux, and BlackArch. Each of these distros is tailored for cybersecurity professionals, but they have their own unique features and focus. This is free courses on ParrotOS by techlatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like ParrotOS course overview and objectives. Then we had covered course content, then what is the ParrotOS, basically introduction to ParrotOS. We had covered overview, key features, and what are the target audience for ParrotOS Linux. Then we had covered setup and installation of ParrotOS on various clouds, including AWS, GCP, and Azure. So in this video, basically, we're talking about comparing ParrotOS with Kali Linux and ecosystem. Like there are a lot of things that we are talking about, like Kali Linux comparison with BlackArch and ParrotOS comparison with Kali Linux and BlackArch. Then we'll also talk about community and support, like what is the community and support from uh, ParrotOS, Kali Linux, and BlackArch ecosystem. So yeah, let's move to a browser first. So basically, this is the uh, ParrotOS website, that is parrotosec.org. So you can check all the things here, like the uh, community and other things. Then you can see the BlackArch Linux website. Then you can see Kali Linux website. So basically, ParrotOS is before we get started, let's briefly overview each distribution. ParrotOS is designed as a security focus operating system with an emphasis on usability and performance. Like it is known for its lightweight nature and includes a wide range of pre-installed security tools, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. If we're talking about Kali Linux. So Kali Linux on the other hand is one of the most well-known penetration testing distribution. It's developed by offensive security and is packed with hundreds of tools specifically generate towards penetration testing, forensics, and reverse engineering. If we're talking about BlackArch, so BlackArch is a specialized Linux distribution focused on penetration testing and security research. BlackArch security research. It's based on Arch Linux and provides a vast variety of repository of tools for security professionals. Now let's delve deeper into the difference between these three distributions. ParrotOS prides itself on being user-friendly with a sleek interface and initiative design. If you're talking about ParrotOS, so basically this is the user interface of ParrotOS. Here you can see the application part. Then you can find a lot of tools here like settings option, accessories option, system device option, system development, pen testing option, multimedia option, internet option, then privacy option. Here you can find about the browser and other things, also file manager, application finder, terminal, and then here you can find about the uh, minimize window option. So like we're talking about ParrotOS, like it Debian based make it familiar to use transiting from other Linux distribution, and its pre-configured tools streamline the penetration testing process. If we're talking about Kali Linux, so basically Kali Linux is a powerful, can be intimidating for newcomers due to its extensive toolkit and complex setup process. However, its comprehensive documentation and active community support make it more accessible over time. And if you're talking about BlackArch Linux, like you're talking about BlackArch Linux, so BlackArch Linux is something like based on Arch Linux is aimed more at advanced users who are comfortable with rolling release distributions and manual configurations. It is like minimalized installation provides a high degree of customization but may require more effort to set up initially. Like, Now we're talking about segment two, that is tool set. When it comes to the tool set, all the three distributions offer a vast variety of security. If you're talking about ParrotOS security, if you're talking about BlackArch Linux, if you're talking about Kali Linux, and here you can also see the user interface of all the all the Linux, that is BlackArch, ParrotOS, and Kali Linux. Okay, so if you're talking about the Here you can see the applications in Kali Linux also. And if you're talking about tool sets, so when it comes to tool set, all the three distribution offer a vast variety of security tools out of the box. However, they differ in their focus and selection. Like ParrotOS prioritize usually and includes a balance. ParrotOS uh, balanced mix of tools for network analysis, vulnerability assessment. If you click on application part, so here you can find about all the tools like pen testing tools, reverse engineering tools, and lot of tools are available here. So you can check it out also. The vulnerability assessment and digital forensic, it is suitable for wide range of security tasks. It is often favored for day-to-day use. If you're talking about Kali Linux, so if you open Kali Linux here, so Kali Linux is also something special like for its extensive toolkit, which cover every aspect of penetration testing, imaginable from wireless attacks to web application testing. Kali has it all. Its tools are regularly updated and tested by the community, ensuring reliability and effectiveness. If you check this, so you can find out the information gathering tools, vulnerability analysis tool, web application tools. There are a lot of wireless attacks tools, password attacks tool, reverse engineering, exploitation tool. So there are a lot of options are available in Kali Linux also. Then if we're talking about BlackArch Linux, so BlackArch Linux have also so many tools. If you see this, so here you can see like BlackArch Linux has automation tools, Bluetoother, Cracker, Crypto, Debugger, Forensics, Fuser, Mesh, Recon, the web app wireless tools. So is being a specialized distribution. Goes even further in its tool selection, offering over 2,500 tools for penetration testing and security research. It's a treasure trove for experienced professional looking for specific tools and utilities. So you can also check out the like BlackArch Linux. Then if we're talking about performance of all the tools, so performance is another crucial aspect to consider, especially when running security tools that require significant system process. So if we're talking about ParrotOS, so we're talking about ParrotOS. So ParrotOS strikes a good balance. Strikes a good balance between performance and usability thanks to its lightweight nature and optimized software stack. It's well suited for running on both older hardware and modern machine without sacrificing functionality. While if you're talking about Kali Linux, so Kali Linux is another uh, powerful, can be resource intensive due to its extensive toolkit and frequent updates. So you click on application process. So there are a lot of toolkit and there are a lot of tools are available in Kali Linux. Users may experience slower performance on older hardware or machines with limited RAM. So this is like the process of Kali Linux because of some users may experience slower performance on older hardware or machines with limited RAM. And if you're talking about BlackArch, so uh, being based on Arc Linux, BlackArch is highly customizable and can be optimized for performance depending on the user preference. However, its extensive toolkit, user preference, how its extensive toolkit and rolling release model may require more frequent updates, which can impact system stability. So if we're talking about community and support, we'll also cover community and support part in this lecture. So having access to a vibrant community and robust support resources can make a world of difference, especially when you encounter challenge or need guidance. So let's explore how the communities surrounding ParrotOS, Kali Links, and BlackArch contribute their respective ecosystem. So like if we're talking about ParrotOS, so if you click on community, then it is not okay. So you can also check on website or or any other social media. Okay, so the Parrot is known for its user-friendly approach, boosts a supportive community that's welcoming to user of all skills level. Whether you are a beginner seeking guidance or experienced professional sharing knowledge, you will find wealth of resources including forums, documentation, and active social media channels. Like if you go on website of ParrotOS, so you can find all the things here like about the social media platform that is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. If you click on Discord, so you can Also check the Discord of ParrotOS Linux. Okay, and if you click on Telegram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, there are a lot of social media platforms you can check for community purpose. Okay, so like also you can also explore the forums of ParrotOS. So yeah, you can, if you have any doubt regarding the ParrotOS or anything, so you can ask in forum also. Here you can find about the ParrotOS for SDB Telegram channel. Then you can join ParrotOS on social media. Okay, so if you are talking about Kali Linux, so basically, if we are talking about Kali Linux, okay, so Kali Linux is one of being one of the most widely used penetration testing distribution, has a massive community of users and contributors. Its famous mailing list and IRC channels provide a platform for users to seek help, share insights, and collaborate on projects. So if we go on Kali Linux website, okay, so here you can find about the Get Kali, then you can find about the blog also. You can also check out the blog of Kali Linux. Then you can find about the documentation, Kali Linux documentation, tools documentation, no issues. Then if you click on community, so you can find about the Discord also. Like you can here you can join the Discord from this Linux for Kali Linux. Okay, and if you join newsletters, you can also join newsletter for Kali Linux updates and all the things. Mirror location, get involved, community support. Then here you can find about all the things about the Kali Linux like responder and other stuff. Okay, and then you can also like check out the website for more details. Then here you can find about the link form, then development, bug tracker, continuous integration, network mirror, and other stuff about the Kali Linux. That you can also follow us on like follow Kali Linux on Facebook, Instagram, Mastodon, Twitter. You can also join the newsletter, community support forum. So, like additionally, the offensive security team behind Kali offers professional support services for organizations and individuals who require personalized assistance. Now, we're talking about BlackArch. Okay, while Black, similar in comparison, has a tight community of security enthusiasts and developers. Okay, if we're talking about BlackArch. So if we go on website, you can click on community, so you can find about the community here. You can join the community and other things. You can also mail if you have any doubt regarding the BlackArch. So team@blackarch.org. You can find the community on GitHub also, that you can check out Twitter of BlackArch Linux, YouTube videos, metrics, and news. So you can also check the news. Then here you can find out all the socials like Twitter, GitHub, and mail forums and other stuff. Okay, so it's forum and IC channel services hubs for discussing tools, sharing tips and tricks, and contributing to development of distribution. Despite its niche focus, uh, BlackArch user benefit from a dedicated community passionate about advancing the field of cybersecurity. So if you're talking about documentation, so ParrotOS provide, if you are talking about the documentation, so ParrotOS provides compression documentation covering installation guide. If you check all the installation guide, introducing virtualization, configuration, cloud, USB, troubleshooting tools, mirrors. Okay, so guides using instructions for pre-installed tools, troubleshooting tips, and more documentation well organized and accessible, making it easy for users to find answer to their question quickly. And if you're talking about Kali Linux, so if you go on Kali Linux website, then if you click on documentation. Okay, so if you click on documentation, so you can find all a lot of stuff also here. So Kali Linux also offers extensive documentation, including user guide, tool documentation, tutorials, and documentation is constantly updated to reflect changes in the distribution and new features introduced with easy release. Additionally, Kali official website hosts a blog with articles. You can also check the blog. Articles written by community members and security experts. And if you're same, if we're talking about BlackArch Linux, so it maintains a wiki with detailed information on installing and usage. Okay, so if you click on community, then you can find about the tools, facts, all the guides. Then you can, if you click on guide, so you can find about all the guides here. Okay, configuring tools and contributing the project by the wiki. It's primarily community driven, is regularly updated, serves as valuable resource for BlackArch Linux user. So, like ParrotOS hosts official forums where user can ask questions, share experience, and connect with fellow enthusiasts. Additionally, ParrotOS has presence on popular social media platforms like Twitter. You can follow that link, Twitter and LinkedIn or ParrotOS also. If you're talking about Kali Linux, forums are a bustling hub of Kali Linux, bustling hubs of bustling hub of activity with users seeking help, sharing tutorials, and discussing new tools and techniques. The Kali community also maintains presence on IRC channels and Discord servers, providing real-time support and collaboration opportunities. If you're talking about BlackArch, same here. If you're talking about BlackArch, if you click on community, then BlackArch users can engage with the community through forums, IRC channels, and social media platforms. While Smile and Scale, the BlackArch community is passionate and dedicated, fostering a collaborative environment for users to exchange ideas and contribute to the project. Okay, so this all about the community and support. So in conclusion, choosing the right penetration testing distribution depends on your specific needs and preference. If you're looking for a user-friendly experience, like if you're looking for a user, if you're looking for a user-friendly experience with a comprehensive toolset, ParrotOS is an excellent choice for advanced users and professionals who require a vast variety of specialized tools. Kali Linux and BlackArch offers unparalleled flexibility and whether whichever distribution you choose, remember to familiarize yourself with its future documentation community support to make the most out of a cybersecurity journey. That's all for today, folks. I hope you found this comparison helpful in making an informed decision. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And